Señor llegando.
En mi mente lo pasamos de la vida, pero realmente siempre me olvida. Quiero que seas muy contenta. Quiero escapar la tormenta. Quítate la ropa bien mojadita. Fuerte mar y se llama Indica. Yeah. Tú me das ansiedad cuando no me mires a los ojos. Y aquí estás tranquila cuando me tiras a los lobos. De mi
Nene, você feliz?
Sim, mas só no frio.
Hoje...
Mergulho de escoleiro amarillo.
So real.
¿Y eso?
Yeah.
Sexy roupa.
Maria.
Señor llegando. Today we're in Puerto Madryn and we are going diving, well, snorkeling really, with sea lions. So this ought to be an amazing adventure. Got the Nene here. We're in our crazy hopa.
Hola, americano.
Uh-oh. There we go. Leipzig, Germany coming at you.
¿Cómo te sientes? Yeah. Jugando con mi mente, ya corazón me fui. Necesito amar a mí. Acabó el baile con mi vida. Queda por la salida y tú me das ansiedad.
Take a tank. Get up our office.
Aquí estás tranquila cuando me tiras a los lobos. De mí a ti no hay nada, no tengo ni.
Alright, we just got our briefing and found out that Ane is going to be swimming with sea lions by herself. Everyone else is going to watch Ane.
De temor y así te vas sin dolor. Yo pone el canción bailando en mi mente. Quiero algo diferente. Quiero algo diferente. De mí a ti no hay nada. No tengo ni un pedacito.
We are snorkeling and diving with sea lions. These little guys are amazing. She's muito feliz. Let's see how this works out because I was cold as hell for about 30 seconds. Remember, we're about 600 miles from Antarctica, so if this Amazon girl goes nuts in this cold water, that's why. Come on, Ney. Vamos. Here we go. Esperar. You can float. Let go. Me. Come on. Let go. I know. Mesmo me. Push me peitos. Come on. Juntos. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Here. Turn. Mesmo me. Just hanging out with some amigos. Come. Look at that. Look at the native. Oh my God.
Pode tocar?
Cuidado, lento e não rápido.
No. Wait there.
Wow. We did not want to get in this freezing ass cold water, but this is the most amazing experience. Look at this. Look at these babies.
like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act, it's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Adios, nene. Alright, so I took Ane back to the boat. I don't blame her. For a girl who grew up in the Amazon, trying to swim in the Atlantic Ocean in southern Argentina, it's not exactly the norm. Hola, amigas.
How to be gentle, never cross the line. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me.
Bom dia!
Good morning, it's a big adventure again today.
Hoje vamos para uma praia ver baleia. Talvez ver baleia. Tomara que a baleia apareça.
We hope today we're going to see whales. We're going to be doing this from the shore, so it's going to be a little different. We're not going out on a boat, but that's actually fine. Supposedly at high tide, the whales are so close to the shoreline, you can just see right there. Ooh. They picked up Lucas and then first. Buenos dias. Grüß Gott.
I don't mind it, let them talk, they don't get it. That we are two peas in a pod.
Ciao camera! Ciao! Ciao amiga. I want to be in your YouTube video.
Oh, we'll be there. Wow. Whoa, the tail. Alright, amigos from different countries, but they're still amigos. You got Germany on the right, Brazil on the left. Wow, ne.
Lo que sigue va a dar en el coro. Ha esperado por mí por hora. Quieres más mi amor, quieres toda. Cuando te lo meto en cajo como corona. Vive tu vida una moda, pensando en sola una cosa. Quieres más mi amor, quieres toda. Cuando te lo meto en cajo como corona. Aunque ya tienes todas las zonas, aunque sabes que me equivoqué, no puedes evitar que yo tengo lo que te pone loca toda la noche. Sabes que soy alguien que se manera, yo te comería tu galleta. No necesito pilas o cometa, no importa si nos vean, prometo a llevarte allí. Cogerte es un arte para mí, de que te demoraste. Aquí mi cama no descansa nunca, pero a mí te no me cansa. Lo que sigue va a dar en el coro, ha esperado por mí como máquina. Y yo gano bien horas clases que